What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. It is 7:18 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go tag sailing, garage sailing, yard sailing. Everybody calls it something different. Kristen's here.
What up?
What up? And yeah, so we're gonna hit up a huge town-wide tag sale and a few smaller ones. Hopefully we find some good stuff. I got cash on me. I don't have gas on me, so we gotta get gas. Let's go. All right. Just getting out of the car. Here we are, town-wide tag sale. You can see vendors are definitely setting up. We're here a little bit before 8 o'clock. So we are early, but not super early. There's definitely people shopping. It goes down this whole green. So let's see what we can find. What up?
Hello.
We are now at New Morning. We got a spicy black bean and yam. I got chicken with Asian slaw. Look at that. That looks good. And here's our view. All right, so on the side of the road, Kristen wants to stay in the car, but I saw this sign for a used book sale. There's like a bookstore downstairs at this church over here in Litchfield, Connecticut. So we're gonna see what they have. Hopefully we find some stuff. Ooh, next week they're having a tag sale. Very cool. Oh, wow. All right, so that last sale was not very good. We are home now. Kristen is right here brushing out Soph. Hey, baby. She has fur flying in the wind, so good for her. Definitely getting a good brush. I want to show you guys all the stuff I got right now. Definitely got some good stuff today. Oh, gotta unlock the car. All right, guys, here's the final reveal, final haul for the day. Didn't get too much, but we're definitely gonna go through it all. Grab this thing, this huge chair. Kristen really wanted it. It was only $10. It's really nice, but it takes up the majority of the space in here. But let's go through some of the other good stuff. This whole box right here, besides these two things, I'm pretty sure, I think all of this was $60. It also came with this, so everything right here was 60 bucks. Yeah, so I got this Atari game library thing. Kind of interesting. It holds Atari games. I didn't open it up at all. I don't think there's any Atari games in it. I think it's just the case. Yeah, it's just the case. No games. Still kind of cool. It says Atari on it. I have no idea what this is worth, but she threw it in. So that was kind of nice. Let's see if we can get this back in the box without ruining the box. Oh, man. Okay, we'll deal with that in a minute. Right here you can see we got two original NES's, two original Nintendos. Pretty awesome. Got a Polaroid camera. Then we got a few games. NBA Live 96, it's not worth anything. Super Mario Bros. It's kind of beat, but it might still work. Gotta test it. Super Mario Bros. Duck Hunt. Another Super Mario Bros. Duck Hunt. Kung Fu, which I know isn't worth anything. A couple Zapper guns, which are pretty cool. One controller. No games in there. I mean, they do look pretty beat. Who knows if they work? I honestly have not a clue at all. One power cord, one AV cord, so we'll have to test that all out a little bit later. I figured for 60 bucks it was worth the risk because the games themselves, this camera, that, I don't know. It seemed kind of good to me. I got this game Scarface for $1. Goes for about 11 or 12 bucks, not too bad. I got this Hawaii 5-0 for $5. I didn't look it up, but it's sealed, and I've done pretty good with seasons. I think I got a little bit less than $5 because I bundled it with a few things. Got this Yahtzee Claptrap from GameStop. It's brand new, sealed in here. I got this included in a bundle, but this goes for about $25 on Amazon. Not too bad. Got this little Tick-N-Tater, goes for 17 bucks, paid $1. What else do we have? Let's open up this door right here. Hope nothing falls down. Good. Oh, I should go over this stuff with you guys also. I went thrifting last night for $20. There we go. I picked up a Canon Rebel 2000. Not too bad for 20 bucks. Also comes in this case with everything it needs. Not too bad. Hopefully it works. I also picked up this puzzle. Guys, these bits and pieces puzzles do pretty good over on Amazon. I paid $1 for this, and it goes for about 30 bucks, so not too bad. There's the receipt. I also picked up this Zombie Hunter, the Walking Dead game, $10, but it's brand new. This goes for about $80 on Amazon, about $75. I picked this up today. There's actually no Amazon listing for it, so I'll probably sell it over on eBay for $20-25. Picked up this Nerf gun, pretty cool, $10. Nobody's on the listing, so I have to do more research on this. Picked up this Bob Ross Funko Pop because I thought they were worth a lot of money, and turns out it's not. I paid $4. I'll make about $1, so that was kind of a bad buy. Picked up a few video games here. We got Resident Evil Director's Cut, Chromia, which is brand new sealed for the PS4, but it's not really worth anything, sadly. And Catherine for the PS3, which, you know, is worth a decent amount of money. I think he originally wanted 15, and talked him down on all these. I can't really remember what I paid. Also picked up this huge Halo energy sword. He wanted $20 for it because that's what he paid, he said. I ended up getting it for like 15-ish, so not too bad there. It goes for about $55 over on Amazon. This was one of the best scores of the day, probably the best score of the day. This is Trivial Pursuit Star Wars, brand new sealed. I paid $4.50. I actually paid what he was asking, and it's gonna go for $84. So that was a really, really good find. And then Kristen really wanted this for inside the house. I think it looks pretty cool. It's a banana holder. It was $2.50. Holds bananas and fruit. So I'm actually gonna go set this up inside, see how it looks. And there it is, all set up. Looks pretty good. Some apples, the bananas. I feel like the bananas hang too low because it's kind of resting on that apple right there. Maybe if I could bend it up a little bit. I don't know. I do like it though. It looks very nice. You can fit a lot of fruit down there, especially if you don't have any bananas at the time. Fill it with fruit. You have extra bananas, don't put any fruit in it. Right next to, I got this at a thrift store also a while ago, a long while ago, but this is where we keep all of Soph's milk bones and treats. Hi honey, you want a milk bone? Oh, actually, I'll give her the rest of this little donut cookie. You want that? Oh, you dropped it. Good girl. She's very gentle when she grabs her treats. Here, can I take this piece again? Let's try to feed it to you again. Good girl. Oh, I know. So well behaved. So that is everything I got, and I do want to sit here and talk to you guys for a minute. I didn't get anything incredibly awesome. Yeah, you know, some of those $4 into $80, that's awesome. I can't complain, but I do want to explain that a few of these places I went to, that bookstore that I went into at the very end of the video, I didn't really film in there. I was just looking around, I thought I hit the jackpot, found a bunch of sealed board games, some graphic novels, all this awesome stuff, but I had no cell phone service. So I was like, oh, this sucks. I went upstairs and I had cell phone service, so I would remember a few things, go upstairs, type them in. I'm like, oh wow, everything's not really worth a lot. I wonder why. Well, I go back downstairs, there's a lady right around the corner on a computer with a stack of books, and this is at a church or a library that sells books, and she was there looking them up on Amazon. All the ones that were worth money, she puts them in a pile. All the ones that aren't worth money, she puts them in another pile and sells them at this book sale. So I've been seeing that a lot lately at this townwide tag sale that I went to. I was gonna buy video games from a guy, and he pulls out his phone, he scans them into Amazon and starts giving me Amazon prices. I was like, dude, what the heck? Like, I don't know. There's just a lot of people doing that now. It sucks when it's local sales because, you know, I'm driving down here, paying in cash, and you're charging me exactly what it goes for on Amazon, which that's not fun. Nobody likes that. But I think I did all right today. I didn't do amazing. I'm still happy with what I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.